Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making caramelized onion dip with bacon. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need yellow onion, bacon, cream cheese, unsalted butter, sour cream, mayonnaise, green onion, salt, black pepper, onion powder, parsley flakes, red pepper flakes, and Worcestershire sauce. Begin by dicing a half of onion. Dice 4 stalks of green onion. In a skillet, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Add the diced onions and about a tablespoon of olive oil. Cook on a medium heat, stirring occasionally for 5 minutes. Turn the heat down a little and cook the onions for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally until golden. Once the onions are golden, add 2 tablespoons of water, stir until the water evaporates. Remove onions from heat. Next, fry 1 pack of bacon. Once the bacon is done, allow the bacon to cool. Chop the bacon into bits. In a bowl, add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 1/2 cups of room temperature sour cream, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and a half teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Mix well. Next, add the bacon, caramelized onions, and green onions. Season to taste with salt, black pepper, onion powder, red pepper flakes, and parsley. Mix well. And there you have it, caramelized onion dip with bacon. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.